Now on to the next project. So this is a go-kart that I bought with another one. I bought it at the start of the year. I did want to do some racing with it, but I thought, why be boring and put a bike engine on it instead. So we got my frame, got a YBR 125 road bike engine. Started doing some little bits and bobs to it. Like I've had to cut the seat away, the seat brackets, come there. I've tacked all of this together. So I've got a throttle, which actually does work. So you can see on the carb there, it all moves. Yeah. I've literally got a box full of engine parts, I mean go-kart parts. So I've got literally everything to make a go-kart. I've even started making the engine mount for the engine that I'm putting on there. So I'll sit by there. Needs a bit of tidying up. It's not too complicated. What was it? Oh, I started making the axle. I had the axle obviously, but I didn't have a sprocket to fit the chain that's going to be running on this engine. So I needed to make something like that, which I've started. My welds, they're not the best, as you can probably see, but you know, you've got to learn somewhere, I suppose. Probably look a lot better once I've tidied it up, but I'm going to get one of my mates to weld the other side on for me, because he's a professional welder, so that'll get done for me hopefully soon. I'm going to concentrate on now the exhaust. We cut this up the other night. The standard one came out to about here. So what we done was we chopped that section out, welded it by there, and we done another piece by there for the angle. I cut some more slices in this to clamp it down a bit more, because obviously the pipe was a lot bigger than what the pipe, no, this back box is a lot bigger than what the pipe that came with the engine. So we're going to be doing that tonight now. I may even try and start making brackets for my hydraulic handbrake, which I'm going to be running to up here somewhere. I gotta try and figure it out roughly where my seating is going to be and all that, but I kind of need it on a straight, so I might have to just put a bend in. Oh, I ain't got the camera on it. I think I might have to just put a bend in the handbrake itself so it sits further forward and have this further back, because obviously I'm going to need to make brackets by here as well for the handbrake to tilt in. So yeah, let's get started on the exhaust then. That's good. I'm using a gasless welder just because it's easier at the minute and I'm not doing any major welds, so I don't exactly need a big powerful welder. I think my welder's, yeah, it is plugged in. Like that. can see, it seems to be blowing holes in it everywhere at the minute. It's because it's getting way too hot. But it's tacked together. That's all that matters. That's all I need at the minute. Oh. Now that's done, I'll come in here. Right, now what we're going to do, find some metal, we're going to mark that up now, so I'll go like that, and then we're going to do it, drill 2 holes, bolt out there, and try and bend this metal in, so once I've bent it, I can weld it onto the chassis down below there, so let's get to that then. Don't know if you can hear that on the camera, but tell me if I do. Just remembered I bent that one out the other day. Where's my actual good drill bits? Down here. That's gone through there, lovely. What we'll do is mark the front one now. There. So there's that